Before you buy F-Secure Freedom, here are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're looking to protect your data or unlock content, it's essential to make an informed choice before committing. So let's dive in and compare Freedom to other VPNs on the market to help you decide if it's right for you. First thing, F-Secure Freedom's primary focus is on privacy and security, just like other top VPNs. It promises strong encryption and a no-logs policy, which means your data isn't stored or shared. But unlike some competitors, Freedom's transparency on privacy policies could be a deal breaker for some, as it's based in Finland, a country with solid privacy laws. Next thing, speed. In terms of connection speeds, F-Secure Freedom isn't the fastest in the market. While it's reliable for everyday browsing and streaming, it's not as fast as top competitors like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, especially for more bandwidth-heavy tasks like gaming or Ultra HD streaming. If speed is your top priority, you might find other options more suitable. The third thing to consider is the number of devices you can connect. F-Secure Freedom allows you to secure up to 7 devices simultaneously, which is a decent number compared to other VPNs like CyberGhost, which allows up to 7 devices as well. This could be a perfect solution for a small household, but if you need to protect more devices, other VPNs offer even higher limits. The fourth thing is server coverage. F-Secure Freedom has a limited number of servers, compared to some competitors like ExpressVPN and NordVPN, which offer thousands of servers across the globe. With Freedom, you get servers in over 20 countries. While it's enough for many users, if you're looking for more server options or more flexibility, you might want to check out other VPNs. Next up, the price. F-Secure Freedom is priced reasonably, but it can still be more expensive than some other budget-friendly VPNs. It offers a monthly and yearly subscription plan, with the yearly plan being the better value if you're in it for the long haul. If you're on a tight budget, you might want to look into cheaper alternatives like Surfshark, which offer similar features at a lower price point. Another thing to note is streaming. Freedom works well for unblocking some streaming platforms, including Netflix and BBC iPlayer. However, it's not as consistent at bypassing geo-restrictions as some of the industry giants like NordVPN or CyberGhost, which are known for reliably unblocking a wider range of services. The seventh thing is its kill switch. Freedom includes a kill switch, a great feature that ensures your internet connection is cut off if your VPN connection drops, preventing exposure of your real IP address. Not all VPNs include this as standard, so this is a positive feature for Freedom. Moving on, its user interface. F-Secure Freedom offers a clean and simple design, making it easy for beginners to use. While it's not as feature-rich or customizable as some competitors like NordVPN, it's ideal for people who want a no-fuss VPN experience without too many advanced settings. The ninth thing is device compatibility. Freedom works on most major platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. But if you're using a router, game console, or other less common devices, it doesn't have native support, unlike some competitors that offer more extensive compatibility. The 10th thing is customer support. F-Secure offers live chat and email support, but it can be a bit slow to respond. When compared to top-tier VPNs like ExpressVPN, which offers 24/7 customer support, Freedom's support might leave you wanting more in case you run into an issue. Another thing is the free trial. F-Secure Freedom offers a 5-day free trial, giving you a chance to test it out before committing. However, unlike some competitors, it doesn't have a money-back guarantee that extends beyond the trial period. So if you're not satisfied after purchase, you might not have as much flexibility as you would with other VPN services. And the final thing is that F-Secure Freedom is a good option for those who want a basic, easy-to-use VPN that covers the essentials. It may not have all the bells and whistles of other VPNs, but it does what it sets out to do: secure your online activity and help you browse safely. If you're considering F-Secure Freedom, it's a solid option, but if you want a better option with faster speeds, more server options, and stronger streaming capabilities, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it's the right fit for your needs.